If you have a hold from Michigan on your driving record, it will prevent you from getting a license in another state. Holds come about for two reasons. Usually, a person was a former Michigan resident who racked up 2 or more DUIs and had his or her license revoked, but occasionally someone from out of state picks up a second or third DUI in Michigan, in which case Michigan will also apply its hold to their driving record. When a hold's on your driving record, you cannot renew a license even if you already had one in another state, and you have to get that cleared. The term for removing a hold is called a clearance, and it really follows the exact same process as a regular Michigan driver's license restoration case. In Michigan, anyone who racks up 2 DUIs within 7 years or 3 within 10 years is categorized as a habitual alcohol offender. The law further presumes that any such person has an alcohol problem. So in order to remove a hold on a driving record, a person has to win a license appeal by proving 2 things. First, we'll explain what they are legally and then what they mean in plain English. Person has to prove, number 1, that his or her presumed alcohol and or substance abuse problem is under control, and number 2, that his or her presumed alcohol or substance abuse problem is likely to remain under control. What does that mean? Well, proving a problem is under control means showing that you've been completely alcohol and substance free, including recreational marijuana, for a legally sufficient period of time. Generally, we require a person to have been completely clean for at least 18 months, and showing that your problem is likely to remain under control requires demonstrating that you have both the ability and the commitment to remain alcohol and substance free for life. In other words, the Secretary of State wants proof that you're done drinking and you'll never pick up another drink again. And here's why. Plenty of people come through and say, I don't drink like I used to, or I'm fine, or I learned my lesson. The Secretary of State, under the laws, can't do anything with that. They need to know and be convinced that a person will never drink again, because there's only one certainty in all of this. People who do not drink are exactly 0 risk to ever drink and drive again. Our firm does this all day, every day. We offer a guarantee that if we take your case, you will get your clearance, or we will continue to represent you until you do. In other words, you'll only pay us once, but you will get back on the road, and you really can't do any better than that.